In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set book pricing on KDP, a tutorial specially crafted for beginners. Whether you're an aspiring author or just getting your feet wet in the self-publishing world, setting the right price for your book is crucial, not only for generating sales, but also for establishing your brand. So let's dive into the steps and take the guesswork out of pricing on Kindle Direct Publishing. Firstly, we'll want to navigate to the pricing section within your KDP dashboard. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is this so important? Well, this is where the magic happens. The pricing section allows you to determine how much money your readers will exchange for your creative work. It's here that you start making strategic decisions about how you want to position your book in the market. Once you're in the pricing section, you'll need to enter your list price. This is a significant step, as it affects both your royalties and potential sales volumes. A lot of authors wonder about the perfect pricing sweet spot. It varies depending on your genre, the length of your book, and your target audience. A good tip here is to research other books in your niche that are selling well and take note of their pricing. Once you've got a ballpark figure in mind, confidently set your list price into the system. Remember, this number can be adjusted later, depending on how your book is performing in the marketplace. Next, you'll want to select a royalty plan. KDP offers two options, 35% and 70%. Each has its own conditions and benefits. If you choose the 35% royalty option, keep in mind that it allows for more flexibility in setting your book's price, but does result in lower earnings per sale. If you opt for 70%, you'd have to price your book within a certain range specified by KDP, yet it provides a higher percentage of earnings. It's crucial to weigh these options carefully based on your financial goals and the anticipated demand for your book. Finally, it's time to save and publish your settings. This is the moment where all your careful planning and consideration come to fruition. Double-check the details to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and hit that publish button. Congratulations! Your book is now priced and ready to captivate readers around the world. And there you have it. Setting your book pricing on KDP can initially seem a bit daunting, but with this step-by-step guide, you're well equipped to make informed decisions that support your goals. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you